Wagwan! To our first time viewers, welcome to this channel, and to our regular viewers, welcome back. This channel provides you with a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament every day. My name is ERRALDO BUDHAN, and I'll be reading one of my favorite passages just for you. For more information about me, you can check the description box below. Family, remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Expect a daily reading every morning at 5 o'clock Jamaican time. Now, come make we read together.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
Today, I'm going to read from Matthew 5, 27-30. This is one year when Jesus did upon the mountain and preach. The part where I'm going to read are when they chat about people who have sex with other people and them not married. I saw you read, starting from verse 27. Una did hear God say, no sleep with nobody una no married to. But here I want to tell una say, una just want look pa one woman where una no married to and want her body. And a sleep una don't sleep with her already in her heart. If you ride yai and make your sin, tear you out and dash away. After all, it better if you lose only one body part than the whole body get flinged down a hell. If you ride on and make your sin, chop you off and dash away. After all, it better if you lose only one body part than the whole body get flinged down a hell. A God word this, you know. Thank God. God word in a fluid language are still God word. Until next time, love and blessings always.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.